What's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Hump's World, and today we got 3 awesome watch faces that are free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. I'm going to suggest you go download right after the video because free can become paid real quickly. Now we're trying to help you to get over the hump, and at the same time we're trying to help you get ready for the weekend early. So with that being said, let's kick this review off. Now, the name of the watch face is called Chrono Smart. The developer that created this did an awesome job. He goes by the name of Gear World. Now, looking at this watch face, nice, beautiful, elegant, and definitely a dress-up watch face. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, but you're going to get the same exact look as if the watch face was already on. Now, once on, you have an elegant luxury look within this watch face. You got a nice smooth hand that's going around the bezel of the watch that gives it a real touch of class. But if you look at the watch face, I'm telling you the video is not going to do it justice. This has a true HD look. Now, although we have a Super AMOLED display, they're definitely taking full advantage of it. It looks sharp in detail. It looks clear. At night, it looks beautiful. You got to check this out for yourself. Now, what you're going to get is a few dials. I do like to look at the index that's going around. You only get the 12, the 8, and the 4, a touch of class. I like that. I do like the design of the hands as well. I'm going to give them an extra thumbs up for that one because definitely it stands out. So I do like the highlights of this one. I do like the fact that it's an energy-saving watch face as well. Now, they are inactive, so if I tap here, it will take me into that application with no problem. I thought this was definitely slick. I thought the developer did his thing with this watch face, and I love it. You got to hit me in the comment section down below, people, and let me know your thoughts on this one. Let me know if this one is a download or leave it right. Face number 2. Now, number 2 is called Kozmos X Animated. This is one of the most unique watch faces you'll find in the Gear Manager store this week. Very nice, very different, very nice. Now, this is a fun watch face, an everyday watch face that you can play on the weekend if you're hanging out with family and friends, or if you're just simply just going to be around the house for the day or going out to the grocery store. This is the watch to put on your wrist. Very nice, very unique. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get pretty much the same look for the Gear 3. It's just going to be dimmed down a little bit, but for the Gear 2, it's going to have a whole total new design, but you'll be able to see your time at a glance, considering that this is an analog watch face. You will not have no problem with time on this one. Now, when the watch face is on, first of all, we got to point out the animation that looks organic. It looks like an organism to a degree. Very nice design. I got to get a developer 3 thumbs up for the creativity on the animation on this watch face. I thought he did an awesome job, but I do like the analog look. I do like the hands as well. I wish it was a smooth ticking hand, but considering that it's a super casual watch face, the ticking second hand is not a bad look. You get the 12, the 9, the 3. You don't get a 6, but you do get your step info down at the bottom, which is important for most people. And yes, it is animated. I know the ladies want to know that. And you can get your calories burned, your steps, how many floors you climb. You get all that information. You tap on the 9, you can get your calendar, set an event. And also, if I tap in the middle, you can set an alarm with this watch face. Now, I know you thought it didn't come with anything else because it was free, but I'm telling you, the developer did his thing with this watch face. So continue to do that. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face. Let's check out, last but not least, watch face number 3. This one is called KWC Clear Stealth Diver. A very nice looking casual watch face. This is a everyday watch face, people, but it does have a nice look. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a nice unique look. It's going to be an analog time as well, so you'll be able to see your time at a glance. Now, when the watch face is on, I do like the style of this one. I do like the uniqueness. I like the design. It stands out among the rest, and that's what you want to have. You want to have a watch face that's unique and different from your competition, and I think he executed that one with this one. Now, I do like the unique hands. They're very different, but yet it fits in with the design of this watch face, and you get a nice smooth second hand. I love a smooth second hand. And you also get the date over there to the right, which gives it a touch of class. Now, down here at the bottom, you are going to get 24-hour digital time, not 12. And I do agree with the fact that it should be an option to change it from 12 to 24. So if you wanted to tie into the 12-hour watch face that you already have, you can. Hint, hint, developers, not just the developer of this watch face, but developers overall. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the top 3 analog free watch faces that you can find in the Gear Manager store. Remember, download ASAP because free can become paid real soon. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out because it helps my channel. And on top of it, people, subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you already haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.